Hi, ladies, Natalia here, and I have something amazing for you today, especially if you want to dress confidently and feel great in your body and style. You may have already heard I'm offering a very special Black Friday deal, an epic 50% off my Style Success Formula program. This is the first time I'm doing this, and honestly, I don't think I will ever do it again. My mission is to help ambitious women like you look and feel confident, stylish, and put together every single day in your career, business, and personal life too. This 6 weeks online Style Success Formula program is designed to do just that and help you to look and feel confident, stylish, and put together, transform your style and wardrobe, and dress with confidence no matter your size, shape, or lifestyle. Imagine having a style and wardrobe that make you feel confident and happy. Imagine opening your wardrobe every morning to find flattering outfits that make you look and feel fantastic. Well, that could be your reality in just 6 weeks with my Style Success Formula. The crucial misconception about style is that it can't be learned. But like any other skill, style can be mastered with the right system, strategy, knowledge, and tools, all of which you will find in this program. Let me quickly walk you through what you will master in this 6 weeks program. Firstly, you will know how to choose clothing that fits and flatters your body, how to put outfits together with ease, how to dress your current body and not the one that you wish you had. If your body has changed, for example, whether it is post pregnancy or due to health challenges, or for any other reason, you might feel unsure about what suits you now. But here's the truth, you don't need the perfect body to feel confident and stylish. You just need to know how to choose the right clothes for you, for the body you have right now. Because let's be honest, you still want to feel confident and look amazing in every outfit you wear, no matter your size, right? Plus, in Style Success Formula, you will learn how to make the right choices for you and finally stop second guessing yourself or making costly fashion mistakes. Here's your 6 week roadmap to style success. In week one, you will be building your style foundation, including your mindset, and define any underlying limiting beliefs and roadblocks. Then discovering your personal style and what feels true to you, as well as gaining clarity and vision around your style goals. In week two, you will identify your style personality, meaning exploring which styles appeal to you and your personality to avoid blindly following trends or buying the wrong clothes. Only then you can stop second guessing yourself or relying on those to pick new clothes for you because you will know exactly what works for you. Week three is all about dressing for your body shape. You will learn how to measure your body and determine your true body shape and how to dress it to your advantage. Find out which styles flatter your figure, accentuate your assets, and how to downplay areas that you prefer to minimize. A warning, this module is a game changer. Week four is all about color and learning how to choose, wear, and mix and match colors to elevate your outfits so you feel confident and stylish every single day. Week 5 is focused on wardrobe detox and outfit formulas, where you will discover how to create a functional wardrobe that works for you and learn how to put together effortless outfits even from your current wardrobe. Say goodbye to I have nothing to wear moments and discover an outfit formula you can rely on to create perfect looks in just under 5 minutes. In week 6, you will be building your own capsule wardrobe following my step by step formula for a modern, timeless capsule wardrobe of your dreams. You will discover how to select essential pieces that mix and match effortlessly, creating multiple stylish outfits for any occasion. Spoiler alert, you will get access to done for you and shoppable capsule wardrobes with over 770 plus outfits in just one capsule. That's enough to cover you for the next 2 years. What's more, I will personally guide you step by step so you can confidently build a functional, stylish wardrobe without overwhelm or second guessing yourself because you will have live coaching sessions with me. So, to summarize, this program comes with step by step video trainings to guide you through my style success formula. And yes, I've got a formula for everything. So, these are pre recorded video lessons. Then you will have downloadable PDFs for easy reference and applications. Then strategic action items to implement everything that you've learned and apply it to you. Then actionable steps tailored to your body and lifestyle, and of course, with a lot of detail and examples for all body shapes and sizes. And also lifetime access so you can revisit it anytime you need. Imagine waking up each morning knowing exactly what to wear, feeling confident in your style choices, and loving the way you look, whether at work, out with friends, or on a casual weekend. If you are ready to stop guessing and start dressing with confidence, this is your moment. And this Black Friday, instead of buying more clothes that don't fit or flatter you, instead invest in yourself and gain style knowledge and a lifetime skill that will empower you to dress confidently forever. But hurry, this Black Friday offer won't last long. This Saturday, it will go back to original price. So this is your chance to take control of your style now. Message me the word formula to get this one-time 50% off offer. You may never have this opportunity again. So act now, and I cannot wait for you to start seeing the incredible results of your style transformation as you walk through my program step by step by step. Bye for now.